we are officially done building the Prusa MK3S Plus. We still have some calibration to do, and I will be doing this right now. All right. We should be all good. Yeah. We'll need to check if the sound is all right. Let me check that real quick. Real quick. I have to check that out on YouTube, on my phone. Okay. Seems okay. Okay. That we can start recording right away. We put this here for the moment and start recording. Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Let me just check something real quick. Yeah, so that's working. Let me just check something right now because like I'm recording my screen to be able to do like, you know, highlights and stuff, but I don't know if it's capturing the actual secondary camera that I have going on right there. So let me just see if that's the case. Right there, boom. Okay. Hello for those who are here. It's nice to have you back. So that there is something that happens, I'm going to turn on the printer right away. And boom. And start recording. That right there. Nice. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, there we go. So I was supposed to be, boom, here. Okay. So hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are calibrating the Prusa MK3S Plus after, I think, 6 days of working really hard on putting this together with the thick manual, but we are all done. And the bears, the Haribo bears, are completely done too. But now, it's onto the calibration and actual printing process. And for that, so that you will be able to see something, because right now you only have this poor view of the print right in front of it. I implemented this secondary camera technology. So yeah, I guess we are just going to get started right away. Yeah, I already took a look at the 3D printing handbook that explains you what to do. But yeah, there is this little schematic that explains you exactly what to do. That little part right there that is divided in two, if you buy it already assembled, if you buy it in kit, with a few errors that you will find and whatnot. So yeah, I guess we're going to start with this right now. So self-test. Yeah, chapter 6.3. All right, we'll try not to break something right away. Can you still hear me? Yes, you can. That's nice. All right. Preparation of the spring steel sheet. No, we first everyone self-test to see common problems. Yeah, that's right. Can you, oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Please do. Please check if the IR sensor connection unloads filament if present. Okay, this is already stressful because I don't have no steel sheet right now, and I am really afraid that something might go wrong if I don't put one in. But the thing is, it's too low to do that. Please check if the IR sensor connection unload filament if it's present. Insert filament. Do not load it. What? I don't understand. Okay, we already have a problem already. Not my problem, but we do already have one. Okay. Insert the filament, do not load it into the extruder, and then press the knob. Okay, but I'm not sure right now. There you go, loading the filament into the extruder. Press the control on the LCD, insert the filament to the extruder. Choose the load filament option. I'm really scared to print on the heat bed itself, and this is exactly what they tell me not to do. I guess I'm gonna load the filament as they want me to. Yeah, so I need first my pliers to cut it like that. Yeah. Okay. Sensor verified. Remove the filament now. Okay. Boom. That's done. Self-test. Start. This is stressful, but oh, hello everyone. 5 people are here. Nice. So as you can see, we are running some tests right now. You know that much better I'm feeling that. yeah, the stress is palpable. Fan test, left hot end fanned. Spinning. Fan test, left hot end fan. What is the left hot end fan? What is the left hot end fan? Let me check that. I guess in the assembly guide. X-axis assembly. E-axis assembly. Extruder, IR sensor, hot end fan. Preparation. Page 63. Okay, now we are doing some troubleshooting, like good old engineers. Hey boss, doing some software settings. Yes, well, right now it's actually like doing some sort of self-tests, but right now I already don't know what is the hot end fan. Hot end fan assembly, extruder idle apart, extruder. What is the other fan? Fan shroud, print fan. Yeah. So the hot end fan right now is not spinning. Let me check that. Page 63. 63. There you go. Okay. So right now it's not spinning. Is the front fan spinning? Yes, it is spinning. Fan test. Okay. It's moving. Yo, this is stressful. Okay, but yo. Now that's something. The entire plate is moving right now. Okay. No, this is so cool. For the moment, everything seems to be okay. I'm mesmerized right now. Doing some weird movement, but okay. So we wanted a secondary camera setup. We have it now, by the way. No need to thank me. That's all right. For the moment, we don't have no problem. I think right now it is heating the heat bed. Yes, it does. While that's happening, I can already spoil you on what we're going to print first. So they do provide an SD card, and on it, I just verified that there is already a bunch of G code, and a bunch of examples, like for example the good old Benchy. And what we're going to print first a frog, because it's only like an hour and 30 minutes, so I'll be able to actually see the print tonight, which is really nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the heat bed is getting real hot right now. So this is the part that is really scary, in a sense that, oh no. So no, the bed is done right now. It's checking the hot end. So the thing that is going to melt the plastic in the extruder, from what I understand. Yeah. Can you tell I'm stressed, by the way? Does it show on my face, on the way I talk, maybe? Okay, while that is going on, I guess I can take a look at the different... I run XYZ calibration now. It will take approximately 12 minutes. Please do. This though is mesmerizing to look at. Yeah. So while that is taking place, please clean the nozzle before calibration. It is clean because I haven't used it. So I guess it's already clean, right? This is what it's asking me right now. Please clean the nozzle before calibration. Since we haven't used it, I guess we can just... Okay. Is still sheet on the heat bed. Do you want me to put one on? I mean, yeah, I guess, yeah. Well, I don't want to use this fancy one first, because like this granulated one. Let's do that one, the good old just sheet piece right there, just steel sheet. Boom. Yes. Is the seal sheet on the heat bed at the very moment? Yes. Please remove, okay, please remove the steel sheet. All right, thank you, Marius. Oh, those magnets are so, oh, it's hot. It's already so hot, okay. Place a sheet of paper under the nozzle during calibration. Of the first 4 points, if the nozzle catches on the paper, power off the printer immediately. Okay. All right. No, I'm stressed. I'm stressed right now. So where do they talk about the piece of paper? Okay, but like this is the other calibration thingy. And the rest is not explained. Okay, so I just need a piece of paper. Do I have paper in here? Yo, no joke. I don't have paper right now. Am I serious? Oh, I see some right there. All right. Found some. I did. Oh, this is some really special piece of paper, but okay. Place a sheet of paper under the nozzle during calibration. So something like this, I guess. Okay. So I just placed the piece of paper just like that. Yeah. I guess we could, yeah. Searching the bed calibration point. So I have my finger on the power off button in case something goes wrong. And I hope it will not go wrong. Let's pray. So if it catches the paper, I need to stop it, right? So please cooperate and do not touch the paper. I don't know if you, do you actually hear? Like, it's actually a little bit, oh. You see that? Little blink part? I think this is the sensor responsible for feeling how high the nozzle is compared to the heat bed, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm doing the right things right now. I hope this is entertaining, at least. I'm trying. If you have any questions or whatever, it's the moment. Apparently it's going to take around 12 minutes. I would like a way to set up the camera itself. Can I do that? Let's do something not safe at all, but that could work. Okay, if I take this notebook and do something like this. I mean, good enough, right? Good enough. We should be okay. We should be okay. I still need to be quite on the defense because when he's going to change points, because I think he's going to do the 4 corners, right? That makes sense to me. Like, when he's going to move points, I will need to move the paper with it, right? It seems logical, maybe? I don't know. Let's read some more about this. Start, self-set, calibration XYZ. There you go. Load filament, first layer calibration. Yeah, this is right after. So for the right now we are at, I think, calibrate XYZ. And the potential issue that we could have is an error on the y-axis alignment. Okay. Well, I guess while that is going on, something that we could do, I have an idea. So let's put you right there, right? We need to download, anyway, the Prusa slicer. So yeah, let's go to the coding scene. And I would like to do that, duplicate it, coding scene with the printer camera. Yeah, and if I go back to here, copy the C920, go back here and do that. Yeah, there you go. So that we can still see everything. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's cool. That's very cool. Okay. I hope you can still hear the music. Yes, you can. You should be able to. All right. Okay. So we need the Prusa slicer, which should be, from what I understood. Oh. Did you see that? Okay. Prusa slicer introduction and download. Prusa slicer is our house-developed slicer for base software Prusa. Okay. And I think there's also Cura, something like that. Cura slicer. Yeah, that is free, I think. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to use in the future. I think the Prusa slicer makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Let me just hide you right there. Okay. Yeah. But we do need you. Prusa slicer. There you go. And while that is going on, let me take a look at SolidWorks. I will need to open that one because I would like to show you what we're going to print actually. Because I think what we have, Prusa ROG test print. Yeah, this is what we're going to print. Because I think it's a nice model to test what is going on. And it's actually already on the SD card that we have right there. Check your update system. No, thank you. Boom. This little SD card right there. Oh, we're actually on that one. Yeah. Okay. I am just so stressed to like stop looking directly at the thing. Goodness. Okay. Wait, what? Prusa 3D, gateway timeout. What do you mean? Server doesn't receive timeless response from login to the server. Right? I would like to download, please. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Would like to install it next, please. Checking for newer software version. Please do. Prusa slicer. Nice. Okay, we'll do the installation right there. While that is taking place. Prusa original slicer. Oh, there you go, drivers. Original Prusa MK3S Plus. Yes, that's me. Sample object in G-codes. Ooh, I would like the sample objects, please. No, I don't want that. And start menu program folder. I don't need it. Thank you. Install. Yes, please. Okay, and now we wait. We wait. So what's up with that one? It's so shaky. I can feel on the floor that this thing is moving. Like you can feel that the motors are so strong. Okay. Let's drink some more water, shall we? For everyone joining in today, hello and welcome. We should print something today. I am pretty positive that we're going to start a print. Yeah, an hour and 30 minutes. This is apparently what we'll need to do. Would you like to install the device software? Prusa i3 plus MK... Yes, please. Selected components have been successfully installed. Thank you. And now you're going to launch the slicer or what? You're gonna make me wait? Do you like football? Do I? So I guess you are referring to European football, not American football, so like soccer for our US viewers out there. I do. Like I don't. The thing is, I don't mind it. I am not like I don't watch any sports actually. In like I don't follow anything special. Football even less. Like I do watch, for example, the World Cup. Obviously, I cried in 2018 when France did win the World Cup. Absolutely fantastic moment right here in France. But no, I'm not a thorough watcher. Ooh, moving. Okay. on to the third calibration point. But yeah, that's it. That's really it. I'm not a thorough watcher. I know a thing or two, but that's it. I did play actually for 5 years, but I was a goalkeeper. Yeah. Big arm, big frame. Found very, very useful as a goalkeeper. But yeah, I liked it. And it was also the time where I had like way, way longer hair. So I looked like a girl at the time. Yeah, it was a sort of the secret of the team. But no, wasn't a girl at the time. Still not a girl today, by the way. Yeah. But yeah, here's the answer to your question. So the slicer is apparently done downloading. Can we launch it? Ooh. 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 Okay, there's a lot of things happening right now. Let me just come back. Coding right there. I would like that to. Can you? Okay, this is still the installation thingy. Welcome. Thank you. Very nice of you. Welcome to the Prusa slicer. This configuration wizard, you will help initially configuration. All right. Next. Ooh, what do I have? I actually don't have any of those. I do have you. I guess I have the normal nozzle. How do I know that? I have the MK3S Plus, and yeah, no, there is no way I have it. I have something else, right? How do I know the nozzle of this printer? Well, I guess I will be able to change that later into the future, right? Yeah, there is no way around it. But yeah, let's stay on that for now. Yeah. Next, I don't have any of those. Picking out the vendor. Oh, okay, so you can add other printers to that. That's nice. Custom printer, no. Filaments. For the moment, I only have PLA. Prusa and PLA. So... because I do have that. Okay. And this is the last test point. Nice. Basic filament. This is what I read from there. So this is the first box, but I have 2 filaments. Oh, there you go. So yeah, I do have Prusa. Yeah, I guess I will take those 2. Next. Check for applications update. Availability in presets automatically. Yes, please. Export full path names of models and part source into if enabled, allows to reload from disk command automatically. Yeah. Why not? File association. I don't know what that is. I know what an STL file is, but why not? I think it's gonna be useful down to the future. Prusa slicer user interface 3 variants. Simple mode, advanced mode, experts mode. The simple mode shows only the most frequently used settings. No, the other 2 different progress. Okay, I guess we're going to use simple mode, and I guess we're going to be able to use something else later in the future, but yeah. The size of an object can be specified in inches. No way. FU metric system for the win. And yeah, this is what we have right now. Sweet. That's nice. So yeah, this is what we're going to work with. This represents the heat bed for Prusa thingy. Project import STL, import encoding. So they said there was test prints already embedded in those, right? Oh, you can import OBJs. That's nice. Import config, configuration bundle, export, repair STL, G-code preview. Okay. Window. Into shape gallery. Oh, there we go. That's nice. So yeah, there's a rabbit in here. I don't remember the name of that thing down there. Oh, you are behind my camera, right? A little window, windows thingy. But yeah, other than that, we do have a slicer. Sweet. Very, very sweet. And we should be done in a few seconds with the calibration of this machine. Whew. But if you do have any other questions, do not hesitate. Oh, I need to answer to someone on Twitter. Someone asked on Twitter, how is this related to anything web design or web development? And that is a wonderful question. I just would like to, you know, learn something else not related to software. Something I wanted to do for a long time. Yeah. Yeah. Let me go back on stream. There you go. Should be almost done. The thing is, like, this can either take a few hours, and it would be nice for one stream, or like it can take just a few minutes. And oh. It's done. Okay. So we put this back here, and we take this sheet of paper. We're not going to need anymore. Please place still sheet onto the heat bed. Okay. What about now? That's done. Measuring reference height with the calibration point 1 to 9. Please do. Oh yeah, this is what they talked about. So it's going to sample 9 points on the frame and actually have the calibration model, I guess, like inside the computer of this machine, I guess. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. But yeah. 4 to 9, 5 to 9. Okay, there you go. I don't know how loud. Can you hear it actually on stream? Can you hear the printer? Calibration okay. X and Y axes are perpendicular. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Is filament loaded? Not yet. How about, I would like to try with the gray one so that it will be more contrasty on camera. So I need to cut it like that, like in a pointy manner. There you go. Is filament loaded? Nope. But right now, it is loaded. Is this okay? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Yes, filament is loaded. Now you will calibrate distance between the tip of the nozzle and the heat bed surface. Okay. Select temperature which matches your material. The printer will start printing zigzag line. Rotate the knob until you reach the optimal height. Check the picture in the handbook. Calibration chapter. There we go. Now we actually need to do something. First layer calibration, 6.3.9. Okay. .3.4, 3.5, 5.1 calibrate Z mesh bed leveling. Okay, so this is what it did right before. 2.3.8 load the filament. There you go. There's a control knob in the CD panel. Load the filament. Okay. Unloading the filament. This procedure is similar to loading the operation. Select the unload filament option from the menu. And preheat. Okay. First layer calibration. There you go. There we go. So first layer calibration. Now we will finally calibrate the distance between the tip of the nozzle and the probe. Check if your printing surface is clean. It is. It's brand new. If you can find instruction on how to clean it, chapter 6.3.2, percentage of seal sheet. Okay. We can launch the calibration from the LCD menu. Calibration, first layer calibration. The printer will probe the bed and start printing zigzag patterns. This is what he did. Okay. Suppose spin the probe setting, and it must now be at any means touch the print surface. Okay. If you have already calibrated the first layer and you run the process again, the printer will ask you whether you want to use the old live Z value. I haven't done that, so there shouldn't be no live Z value. Okay, so this is PLA. So I guess now we need to wait for the bed to heat up. So it's aiming for 215 degrees. From what I understand. And for the heat bed, 60 degrees, I think. Bed heating, please do. Please heat, my guy. I am stressed, like I will be okay until I see the very final first print. Whew. Okay. Oh, and also, we are 8 current viewers right now, which is a record live on YouTube. Congratulations, everyone, and thank you for joining in. This is not my all-time record. I think it was 30 people, something like that, on Twitch, but we are seeing progress, and this is really nice and amazing. So hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. We should be all right now. 215 degrees on here, 60 degrees on here, 100%. Yeah. Yeah, it is hot to the touch. I shouldn't do that, by the way. But whatever. Can I probe the camera? Like, right there would be nice. Yeah, let me try that. How could I... Ooh. What? It's starting. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay, so now it's calibrating the Z. Okay. Wait. Okay, I don't understand. I don't understand what needs to be done. What do you want me to do? The printer will probe the bed and start printing a zigzag pattern on the print surface. The nozzle will be at the height based on the spin the probe setting. It must not at any moment means touch the printing surface. Okay. If you have already calibrated the first level. Okay, but I... It's not printing anything at the moment. Okay, some material is getting pulled through. Oh my god, okay, now I'm stressing out. Self-test okay. I don't understand. You want to repeat the last step to readjust the distance between the nozzle and the heat bed. Yes. Oh. Fun fact, I just realized I didn't push the filament all the way through. So yes. Please clean the heat and then press the knob. The heat bed. Yeah, it is clean. We'll be calibrating the heat bed surface. Okay. Take the picture of the match material. Printer will be starting a probe until you reach the optimal height. Check the picture on the handbook. It is PLA. Oh, now I need to wait for it to reheat. Okay. While that is going on, let me check how to actually put the filament inside. Here at the top of the image showing you the next picture. If your filament is running out during printing, it can easily be replaced with a new spool. You will go into the LCD menu, install the sub-menu and change filament the printer. Okay. But... Oh. Self-test, okay. Whoa. It's printing. Okay. Do you see that? Okay, I think it's okay. So let me check the handbook. I think I did a good job.
You locked in the groove.
It looks like it's doing a good print. No, still a bit too high. Do you want to repeat the steps? I think I do. Because this seems still too high. Observe the line which is being extruded on the on the print surface. A menu will automatically show up where you can tune the nozzle height in real time during turning the knob. The aim is to adjust the nozzle height during the extrude plastic. Sticks nicely onto the heat bed. No. Okay. The value should be not exceeding minus 200 millimeters, minus 2 millimeters. If you have to adjust more than that, okay, move the spin disk slightly higher. Okay. I think I need to do another calibration. properly tune the first layer. And printing the extrude at 55 degrees. Yeah, I think I want to do another test. Yes. Please clean the heat bed, then press the knob. This is our very first official print. Little pieces of plastic. Boom. Yeah. Whew, okay. Okay. Till you reach the optimal height. It is still PLA. Oh, Jesus, I forgot to clean the nozzle. There. Nice. This should be the last calibration process. And then we should be all right. We should be. Should be. Gosh, this is stressful. Like so stressful. Whew. But why do you... It still is outputting a little bit of material onto the heat bed, and I don't know why. Is it part of the calibration process? I guess maybe it's to self-clean the nozzle or something? Okay. Subtest okay. Okay. Let's focus. I think we're good. Yeah. Minus 933. I'm just going to wait for the, like, first layer thing to print out. We should be all right. How's that? I think we are okay. I think we are officially calibrated. Do you want to repeat the last step? I don't think so. No. You have additional still sheet. Calibrate the presence in settings. HW setup still sheet. Okay. All done. Happy printing. Wow. Nice. Info screen preheat. I just would like to main temperature, move axes. There you go. Move the Z? No, Y. I think up is Z, right? Yeah. This is so nice. Wait, stop. Stop. Please? So I guess this is in millimeters, right? Okay. This is in millimeters. Okay, 10 centimeters up. So let me take you off. And let me clean that. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it appears that we have a working 3D printer. You do the paper sheet trick. So first of all, Sylvain, welcome to the stream. It's really nice to see you here. Love you, dude. I did do the paper trick. You can come back into the timeline of the stream, and I did it with this very corporate piece of paper. Yeah, or you will be able to see right there, way better. Yeah, I did it. And it does have auto bed leveling, which is really nice. Okay. Auto load filament. Now I would like to, I think it's into settings. Add another still sheet. Still sheets, there you go. So, I had that. Sheet texture 1. Boom. Noise, benchy time. I don't want to do a benchy, I want to do the frog first. Is it a bad idea actually? I guess the benchy is the less stupid solution. Well, not solution. Thing to print, because I guess like it's the right way to actually benchmark what is good and what's not. Okay, so I wanted to add another heat bed. There you go. Setup, still sheets, texture 1. First layer calibration, PLA. Okay, now we wait again, and that's all nice and great. While that is going on, where did I put the, there you go, SD card, and we'll wait. Whew. I shouldn't touch that, by the way. 60 degrees for the moment is okay, but yeah. You can put the torture tests from Les Frères Poulain. Oh, in terms of the printer calibration. That's a good idea, actually. I think I will do that next. Yeah, I heard of this thing. I can't remember what it looks like. But yeah, I think I will. We have a working printer that we built ourselves. This is crazy to me. This is so crazy. Like, we did have some issues. We did, but I didn't think it would have been like that smooth, to be honest. To be completely honest with you. Yeah. Oh, can you still hear me? Yeah. Yeah, just discovered this is where you can play with the. Oh, back to here. Okay. Now it's focus time. Let's try. Okay, easy calibration at the moment. Okay. Okay. It's not sticking to the texture surface as much, which is embarrassing, to be honest. It doesn't stick at all to the textured surface. Yeah, it seems to be calibrated now. We do have a big offset though, minus 1.29 millimeters, which is a bit much. Yeah, it's still, yeah. Yeah, it's not the best at the moment. See, like, we still do have some spacing in between the layers, and we do not want that. Boom. So I am going to z-axis there. Take you out, clean it. Oh yeah, it doesn't stick at all. Crazy. I'm gonna redo the calibration run on the textured still sheet. Setting, HW setup, still sheets, texture 1. First layer calibration. Continue. PLA. Okay. Under extrusion, yeah, absolutely. This is exactly what's going on. I think this is the last calibration that we're going to need to do. And then right after, we can jump into our very first print. Oh, goodness, what a progress. What a week. What a freaking week. Talking about last week, obviously we're on Monday, right? But yeah, last week was very, very, very intense. But we still were able to do everything we wanted, which is really nice. Okay, almost there. It should start very soon. And somehow SolidWorks is making me a big hassle. Will you live the setup of your Octoprint server next? Yeah, next week, actually. I have like 20 of those to set up by hand before next week. Obviously, that's a... Okay, that's a very bad idea. Whoops. Okay, let's leave it like this for a moment. Obviously, no. Obviously, no. I have those pieces of filament that come out right before calibration. Huh. This is good. A little bit too... I think this is a tad too thin. Yeah. Oh, too much. Looks like 298 is the winner. Oh no, we still have some issues. Boom. 300? Yeah, we should be all set, I think. We should be all set. Yeah, this seems the influencer right there. This seemed a little bit too squished, but I think it's all right. I think I'm going to come back to the smooth still sheets right after, because apparently it is easier to set up and like more... What's the term that they used? A little bit more... Frick. What's the name? Not excusing. Damn it, Marius, you're English. Beginner friendly, let's say. I would like to read you that out loud. They talked about the different cell sheets. Where is that? There you go. Double-sided texture PI. Yeah, scratch-proof. PLA printer small contact may need a brim. Ah, yeah. Yeah, spring still sheet with smooth double-sided PEI. Perfect for PLA. Great adhesion. With almost all material. Yeah, this is what we are lacking, adhesion. Okay. We're going to change the heat bed. Sheet. Yeah, smooth one. Nice. This is the one what we need. This is the remaining plastic expanding of the hot nozzle. Okay. I keep a pair of cutting pliers next to the printer to remove it. I guess those. Well, those are needle nose, but they do cut. They do cut. Okay. So yeah, this is the nice steel, the good steel sheet. Settings. I would like to move axes. Boom. Z axes. Nice. And boom. There we go. Install the smooth one. I will need some rubbing alcohol, I guess, at some point. This seems to be the good thing to do. The right thing to do. Slowly. By the way, Sylvain, what do you use as a printer? I don't remember. You don't have an Ender 3 or something? I don't think so. You have something a little bit more professional, I think. So this is the smooth one. Okay. So yeah, I guess we can insert the SD card. Sorting files, please do. Prusa test pattern. This is 20 minutes. Whistle. I guess we need a benchy, eh? Body benchy. 15 minutes. PLA. Okay. We're going to stay here for a few layers together, and then we'll see. Alpha was U30, and I'm getting an FL Sun, I guess. V40 in a few days. Oof. So yeah, the good stuff, I reckon. Yeah, for the moment, small Prusa. I do have a few boards and stuff. I do have a couple of project ideas for that. But yeah, the mission today was just to someone in the chat recalling like really old memories of kindergarten. Yes, I do remember. I do remember those moments. That was a long time ago. How much we talking? Like 15 years ago? 15 years away? Jesus Christ. Okay. We are waiting for that. We should be all right soon. So yeah, the mission today was just to set this up, calibrate the y-axis. This is all done. Okay. So this is what you were talking about, Sylvain, eh? That little thing right there. Yeah. Crazy how the color of this camera really is bad compared to the other. Okay, now using the Z calibration. Calibration done. It looks to be all right. It's printing. It is. Making some weird patterns in here. It is going. Isn't it supposed though to automatically create a raft or something? I thought it was supposed to do that at some point. But hey, we do be printing something, and that is really nice. Apparently it's only supposed to take 15 minutes to do that one. Everything seems to go according to plan. I am stressed out, not gonna lie to you. It is stressful. Okay, it is louder than I expected though. Yo, finally seeing that thing working. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. This is so cool. This is so cool. Only thing is, I'm really afraid that my filament is going to get tangled. Okay. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but doing it. This is so cool. The rest is added by the slicer, not mandatory though. Yeah. But I thought like in a test model piece, like in a test G code, they would like add one by themselves, right? But apparently not. But that's okay. This is so cool, my god. And I think the extrusion looks to be okay. Oh, by the way, Sylvain, since we do have a 3D printing expert in chat, what are the different tools that I might not think about right now that I might need into the future? By the way, if you'd like to jump on Discord or something to have a little discussion, I'm here for it. Would love that. But yeah, what are the different tools that you forgot about when you started out printing? I reckon I will need, so like cutting pliers, I do have those, and they do tell you a bunch of things like in the handbook. But I think like rubbing alcohol, stuff like that. I don't have, for example, like a scraper to take things off. But yeah. Yeah, if you do have some recommendations in chat, I would be really happy to know that. It is working. This is crazy to me. Holy. This is insane. Ah, this is insane. This is so cool. Yeah, 3%. Okay. Oh, it is way faster than expected too. I'm really sorry. I'm just mesmerized right now. I am. Sue me. Freaking sue me. I built this. Fuck yeah. I just wanna be 100% sure that I will not have any issues later down the line. Okay, and the filament seems to extrude nicely. That's nice. It's really nice. Okay, oh, I would like to drink, but okay, is it a bad idea to put you on the surface for the moment? I think it's a bad idea, but if I keep an eye on you, it should be okay. Whoop. Okay. Whew. So now it's the waiting game, I guess. We could already, like, this is done. Well, we still need to verify that it is working properly, but this is done. It is. So I guess tomorrow we can start something else on stream. I am relieved. I am incredibly relieved. I'm gonna do a little, you know me, like, first of all, we need a break, right? We do. But yeah, we need to do a little story for that. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, so I think we did an average of like 2 hours streaming every day last week to build the thing. I think I only missed 1 day, 2 days, something like that, like work weeks, that is, business week, business days. Goodness, I'm tired. So like that. And today, calibration, we only did what? Like live, we've been live for an hour and 35 minutes. Yeah, like let's call it like an hour and 15 minutes. So yeah, they didn't lie about 8 to 9 hours of building the thing. Only thing is though, like I bought this and I wanted to have it like in my student apartment, running it at night, but I think it is a little bit too loud to be able to do that. Do you apply at dampers, noisy as stepper motors? Wait, do you plan to add dampers? Like directly to the motor, you can do something about it? Because also, like, do you hear the thing in the background? How much do you hear it? There is already like a dampening system like in the feet of the thing, but I saw online that a good idea was a sort of concrete slab, like right under the thing. Like, no, I'm not going to obviously build a freaking like slab on the entire thing of the thing, but like a 1 foot by 1 foot slab of pure concrete right under the thing is apparently a great idea. Dude, I am so relieved. Like, this is one less stress point. Oh. This is crazy. I'm so happy. Goodness, what music should we add to this story? Because we are influencers after all. But to answer your question, Sylvain, yeah, like if there is a solution to make that less noisy, I will take it. The fans by themselves, the nozzle fan is quite noisy, but the other one is a Noctua fan, and I think it's alright in terms of how far dB goes. Yeah. This is crazy. I'm not going to say that enough, but this is crazy. I have my own freaking printer. How badass is that? Imagine the possibilities with that. Next step, I guess, is to get a hold of either Fusion 360 or SolidWorks. We do have a free license with the engineering school of SolidWorks, and I guess like you can always get one here and there. But I don't know what companies uses the most. I guess SolidWorks, but also like Fusion 360 is gaining a lot of speed with like the whole Autodesk ecosystem. But yeah, that mixed with custom PCBs can do so many things. It's crazy how I'm getting tired like all of a sudden, because like I really thought this was not going to go as smooth as it did. It is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Do I have any sound right now? No. It's crazy. Ah. Okay, 8% in. Whew. Fusion is really cool, and the learning curve is not that steep. Nice, nice. We did have to do a few projects with SolidWorks at school. Like, it wasn't that bad. Like, I wasn't the one taking care of that, but like I did touch the actual software. But yeah, Fusion 360 seems to be a nice go-to. And like also, it is free, right? No, I know it's free. Like, yeah. But also like, imagine we could do some amazing like generative art thingies with like STL exports and whatnot with Python, I guess. Data structures. Goodness. Like, the thing is, we could end stream right now. We could. We definitely could. I haven't planned anything else, and I don't know if I have the energy to actually start something right now, because I do have also a lot of editing to do. I do have 4 other streams to do the highlights of, and those do take a long time. Oh, 1 year free license. Jesus. That sucks. I thought it was like completely free and that's it. But oh well. It costs as much as a new Gmail account, I guess. 1 year? I really think it was completely free to use. Oh. I tried to use Blender as a CAD software for a few projects at school. Bad idea. Bad idea. But yeah, 10% done. Oh, why do they say 1 hour and 55 minutes to do that? I thought they said 15 minutes. But oh well. We do have some time. We do. Oh my god. The amount of things we could do for that. Also, like, there is an insertion in the back of the motherboard to insert, I think, a Raspberry Pico, something like that. Can't remember the name exactly, but we could potentially use that to make it available on a web server and do a bunch of things with it. And like, for example, automate a time-lapse camera, for example. Because like, let's say I would like to end stream right now and continue recording that. I wouldn't know when to actually stop the recording. Well, yeah, I guess I could do a little script or whatever that stops it in that amount of time and whatnot. But like, I would like it to be automated, right? So yeah. It is gaining some height. Look at it. This is amazing. It is wonderful. Octoprint, look it up. Let's do that. Jesus. Sorry. Was I muted for a while now? How long was that? Can you guys hear me? Yeah. Should be able to. Yeah, like my cable is doing me some bad things right now. But now it should be back. Okay, Octoprint. Temperatures, okay. Huh. Very interesting. REST API. Oh, there we go. This is more my thing. API login, whatnot. All right. All right. Seems that they thought about everything, eh? JavaScript client library. There we go. Am I back, by the way? Can you guys hear me now? Should not be muted anymore. Can hear you just fine. Perfect. Thank you, Sylvain. Thank you for being here. Let's go back in here for a sec. Okay, Octoprint. So yeah, Sylvain, is that the one you use? Is that what you use actually? So like, do you put that, I guess, on a, like, do you plug your printer directly to your PC, or like, do you have an embedded board of some sort onto your printer? What do you do? You have like a Raspberry Pi of some sort? Oh, Jesus. Can I have a way to... Nope. But I thought there was a way for me to do something like this. Alright, whatever. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. This is what we're going to do. Boom, 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 something like that. Yeah. Yep, Raspberry Pi with the Octopi distro. Interesting. That's very interesting. Was it like a pain to set up? Because like, I guess you do have a lot of troubleshooting to do for that to work properly, I guess. There you go. Okay. While that is going on, though, let's look at Fusion 360 and install it. Yeah. Download. Oh, free trial. Yeah, you were right. You were right. Do you have like a nice free CAD software alternative? Maybe? Why doesn't SolidWorks want to launch? SolidWorks. Student edition. Yeah, that's me. The journal file cannot be created. Oh, really? Auto recovery will not work. Another session of SolidWorks may be already be running on this machine. Remind me later, please. Yeah, it's really easy to set up. Nice. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we do have a working version of SolidWorks. Yeah, we would like a new part. So it is really boring. It is, and sorry in advance, but I would like to actually have a pen pot of some sort. Because like I don't have that on my desk and I would like one. But yeah, I don't know where to start, and I'm not going to do that right now because like it would be really, really funny for your camera to see me like struggle to do anything in there. But yeah, I wonder though, can you import anything that is like, let's say STL or something? Save as, I would like to import something. View inserts. Design tables. Tools window. Huh. Sketches, markup, evaluate. Yeah. We'll keep that for another time, I guess. Well, we've been streaming for almost 2 hours. I don't see what else I can do right now. I haven't planned anything else than just the calibration of the printer. And apparently right now, everything is going sort of smoothly. Sort of. So guys, I guess I will leave that here. Thanks for everyone who joined in. That was incredibly smooth, way too smooth. I guess my next streams will not be as smooth because like you need balance in life. But apart from that, thank you everyone for joining in. That was, as usual, a pleasure. It's getting easier and easier for me to start a new stream, which is always really nice, always better to talk to a camera. And also, I hope you didn't hear that too much, but people of this company are starting to go back here, and there are also some works that is being done to the building. So I hope you didn't hear the workers too much. But yeah, apart from that, thank you very much for joining in. That was a pleasure. And I guess I talk to you all very soon on the internet. Goodbye, everyone, and thank you.